Hello friends, welcome to my channel Garden Sampada. So today in my video, I'm going to share my experience with my watermelon plants. I personally love watermelons a lot. So I ate plenty of fruits in summer and I collected few seeds. You can look here. So I sown them. Like within 5 days, they started germinating. Some other they germinated after 10 days. You can look out here. So these are some of the seeds that germinated after 10 days. So I was very happy then. Like I started removing weeds, watering them, taking care of them very well. Because this is for my first video. I thought to put my first video of watermelon plants because I love them a lot, to be honest. So like this, I was taking care of them. And after 15 days you can see they flourished like anything, so well, so greenish. And this is the perfect video, I guess. See, they are so beautiful. Yeah, so this is on 15th day. I'm very curious then. So this is after 21 days vines started coming out of my watermelon plants. You can see this is my first plant, this is my second plant. Yeah, this is how vine started coming. So this is after 26 days. After some days, you can see flowers started. Flowers, they grew so well. So this is after 49 days. There are a lot of runners too. So many vines. And the plant was so healthy. I sown the seeds in the month of April. But that is not the perfect month. I'll tell you why later. Actually, April is summer, but by the June monsoon comes, right? So the plant almost takes 100 days. This is my second plant. You can see even there were flowers to that. Nice. You can see plant was so healthy, good looking. The only thing is I choose a wrong month. I'll let you know why. See, monsoon started, rain started coming, and after 69 days, my leaves started withering away. This plant completely got destroyed. I'm sorry. And this is my third plant. Like this, I recorded few plants. That is the reason why you have to sow seeds in the month of November. These are some other plants that I didn't record, but I also sown them at the same time. See how many plants that I put. So many, so many. I didn't record many, to be honest. See, they were healthy, happy. Actually, I'm happy, so I'm telling they were happy. And I started enjoying with the greenery by sensing them, by looking at them. You really feel very pleasant when there are a lot of greens around your house. So like this, I put many plants. This is my first fruit. You can look out here. I was very happy then and I'm checking. I thought it will grow big in the future, but see what happens later. So this is after 77 days. So after few days, because of heavy rains, one of the fruit got rotten. You can look here. And I'll also show the old one. This is the first one, even with started rottening. You can see. So this is why you shouldn't sow seeds in the month of April or late summer. Sow them early in the month of November. And I'm left with only with this tiny fruit which has fallen because of rain. My dear viewers, please subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching my video. Also, please do like and share my video. Also, press the bell icon.